Geoloop is the condenser in the summertime, and in the wintertime, it's an evaporator. So they're taking water from the ground, is a ground source heat pump, and they're taking it and mixing it in this chilled water buffer tank.
Okay.
So the Geo, the glycol for the Geo and the chilled water are the same loop
Okay.
in a sense. So they're taking the Geo water
Hmm.
from the wells and dumping it in the chill water buffer tank. Then the chilled water gets chilled by the rack, which makes load
Hmm.
for it to heat in the wintertime. It is a giant water source heat pump that also does the refrigeration
So it actually has reefer lines going out elsewhere
to the it has reefer lines also.
to the cases, but it's
Yep.
literally utilizing every bit of heat reclaim known to man.
Yep. It's got three forms of heat reclaim, and if it can't ditch it, then it goes back into the gas cooler on the roof.